Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from HUAWEI device to HUAWEI Nova 8i. First of all, you need to access App Gallery on both devices and click on the search bar. Now type Send Anywhere and download this free app from this developer. Following that, just open it. Now you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow on both smartphones. Then go with Send on HUAWEI device and Receive or 8i. Then you need to click on all of those type of dots and choose Send in order to send all of those files. It will take a long time though, so I will go with only one photo. Tap on Send and click Got it. As you can see, we have to go on action ways from here. We can input this key like that and choose Receive or simply scan QR code. If you wish to scan it, tap on this scanning icon on 8i, choose Allow and point your camera at the QR code. Then wait. As you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. If you wish to make sure of it, you need to go into some kind of Files app, tap on In My Case Recent and look for Send Anywhere section. As you can see, my photo is over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!